Find an equation for the tangent line to the graph y equals x cubed minus 4x. That's being raised to the 12th power at the point 2, 0. So they gave us the x value and they gave us the y value. So x is 2 and y is 0. The only thing that we need to write the equation of a tangent line is the slope, m. Let's go find that because we don't have that, okay? Well, you can find the slope of a tangent line by finding the derivative and plugging in this given x value. So let's find the derivative of this y, okay? All right, so that's the original function. I'm about to find y prime over here, okay? We're using chain rule because we have a composition of function. We have this chunk of x cubed minus 4x is being raised to the 12th power. So the outside function is something getting raised to the 12th power. The inside function is just the part that's inside this parenthesis. So let's take care of the derivative of the outside. So bring down this 12 to the front. You're going to have 12 parenthesis x cubed minus 4x. Don't change anything inside the parenthesis. It's time for us to work with the outside first. Okay, now what's going to be the new exponent? 12 minus 1 will give you 11, right? So if you stop there, that's just half of a chain rule. Now we have to go and multiply this by the derivative of the inside part, okay? And the inside is this binomial. So I'm writing a notation like I'm writing that I am about to find the derivative of x cubed minus 4x. That's what I wrote down in this green color, okay? All right, when I go to the next line, this first part, the red part stays the same. This one isn't changing anything, okay? It's just, oh, whoopsies. Oh, goodness. I'll just write it down myself. So y prime equals 12 x cubed minus 4x minus 11. See, nothing changed, right? But now I am about to multiply this by the derivative of x cubed minus 4x. X cubed will give us 3x squared using power rule. And negative 4x, the derivative of that is minus 4. Okay, so we found the derivative. Now we can find the slope by plugging in x value into this function. So slope is 12 times 2 cubed minus 4 times 2 raised to the 11th power. I am scared because imagine raising a number to the 11th power. That's going to be a mess. All right, let's see though. Times, what's this? 3 times 2 squared minus 4. All right, let's evaluate this. Let me try to do this without a calculator. So what I got over here is 12 times. If you look at 2 cubed, isn't that 8? 2 cubed is 8. Now what about this? 4 times 2. That's 8 too. Oh, thank goodness. I do not have to raise a number to the 11th power. Because when we do 8 minus 8, that's just going to be 0. So like, I don't care what's in the second parenthesis. I mean, this is going to be 3 times 4 minus 4 because we're multiplying everything. And if any piece of the multiplication is 0, anything times any, 0 turns into 0. So we're going to get something like this. And this part will be 12 minus 4. So that's going to be 8, right? But if you multiply these out, you get the slope of 0. So I'm a little glad that we didn't have to raise a number to our 11th power. It was just 0 to the 11th power. So now I got the slope is 0. We're ready to do the point slope form. So focus over here for me. I'm going to do y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Let's plug in all these x1, y1, and the other one into this function. So x1 going in here, What else? Y1 going in here. And M going right in here. All right, let's write the final answer. Y minus 0, right, equals 0 parenthesis x minus 2. Lots of zeros. What happens over here? Left side is just y. Right side, 0 times anything is just 0. So guess what? The slope of the tangent line at 2, 0 is just y equals 0. Okay? I think I'm going to stop this video and do number 4 and 5 in a separate video because I don't want to make this too long. Okay?